How to download image from Zedge. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate here, and in today's video I will show you how you can download image from Zedge. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, head towards the zedge.net, and once you are on the official website, now you have to search for the image that you want to download. Scroll through it, and for example, I want to download some wallpapers that are displayed here. If not, you can also go for the all the images. So click on the search bar here and search for your preferred images. Here, select the picture that you want to download. Once you are here, if you navigate to the bottom right corner, there is this download button. Click on it. Now you have to wait for a while until Zedge lets you download the picture. So here is the timer here. So you have to wait until that period of time. And with that, now the image is downloaded. You can head over to your downloaded folder and you will find the image that you have downloaded recently from the Zedge. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.